Hey Vedic Maths Tricks family, Guneet is here and welcome back to another multiplication video on my channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join us for a complete detailed course on Vedic Maths. Now today's video is about above and below base 10. In this method, two numbers are multiplied where one number is bigger than 10 and other is lesser than 10. Now let's understand it better by taking examples. Now the first question is 12 multiplied by 8. So first of all, we'll find out the deviations. Now since the base is 10, so number minus the nearest primary base, which is 12 minus 10, which will give you plus 2 as deviation, and 8 minus 10, which gives you minus 2 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation, which is 12 plus, and we have the deviation in negative, so minus 2. Now multiply the base, which is 10. Now plus multiply the deviations, which will be plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So here 12 plus and minus gives you minus, so minus 2. And here we get 10 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and here plus multiplied by minus is minus, so minus 4. Now here 10 multiplied by 10 and here plus minus is minus, so minus 4. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, so 100 minus 4 gives you 96. So the answer is 96. Now let's understand the next question. So 7 multiplied by 19. Here also we'll find out the deviation. So 7 minus 10, which gives you minus 3 as deviation, and 19 minus 10, which gives you plus 9 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation, so 7 plus 9. Multiply the base, which is 10, plus multiply the deviations, which is minus 3 multiplied by 9. Now here 7 plus 9 gives you 16 multiplied by 10, plus minus 3 multiplied by 9 gives you minus 27. Now here 16 multiplied by 10 gives you 160, and here plus minus makes it minus, so minus 27. So 160 minus 27 gives you 133 as the answer. Now let's take some more examples to understand this concept better. Now here the first question is 19 multiplied by 9. So let's find out the deviations first. So 19 minus 10 will give you plus 9 as deviation, and 9 minus 10 will give you minus 1 as deviation. Now first number plus the second partition, which will be 19 minus 1, since the deviation is negative. Multiply the base, which is 10. So multiply by 10 plus multiply the deviations, which is plus 9 multiplied by minus 1. So here 19 minus 1 gives you 18. Multiply by 10 plus 9 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 9. Now here 18 multiplied by 10 is 180, and here plus minus makes it minus, so minus 9. So the final answer is 171. Now let's understand the next question, which is 16 multiplied by 7. So let's first find out the deviations. So 16 minus 10, which gives you plus 6 as deviation, and 7 minus 10, which gives you minus 3 as deviation. Now here first number plus the second deviation, which will be 16 minus 3. As the deviation is negative, multiply with the base, which is 10, plus multiply the deviations. So 6 multiplied by minus 3. So 16 minus 3 gives you 13, multiply by 10. Now here 6 plus 3 gives you 18, and minus 3 gives you minus 18, and plus here. So 13 multiplied by 10 gives you 130. Plus minus gives you minus, so 130 minus 18. So the final answer is 112. Now let's come on to the last question, which is 18 multiplied by 8. Now let's first find out the deviation. So 18 minus 10, which gives you plus 8 as deviation, and 8 minus 10, which gives you minus 2 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation, so 18 minus 2. Multiply with the base, which is 10, plus multiply the deviations, which is 8 multiplied by minus 2. Now here 18 minus 2 gives you 16, multiply by 10, and here 8 multiplied by minus 2 gives you minus 16. Now 160 plus minus makes it minus, so minus 16. So the final answer is 144. I hope you've understood this method well, and I request you all to please practice these tricks thoroughly in order to use them in your day-to-day calculations. And if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.